So you're cruising along in your car, everything feels smooth, but suddenly your mechanic throws a curveball. Um, he says your clutch is slipping and needs replacing right away, but your car runs fine. So what's really going on here? It's not uncommon to feel like you're in the middle of a mechanical conspiracy. The clutch is one of those hidden components. You press the pedal, everything just works. So when it doesn't, it's difficult to pinpoint issues without being an expert. But a telltale sign of a slipping clutch is its juddering sensation during acceleration. It feels like your car is hesitating when it should be responding. This isn't just annoying, it's your clutch whispering that it's on its last legs. You might notice a higher engine rev before acceleration. Think of it like you're yelling into a microphone, but the speakers refuse to amplify your voice. The car engine runs louder than usual, yet your speed stays put. Here's an easy test. Park on a flat surface, set the handbrake, start the car, and try shifting into third gear. Gently release the clutch. If the car stalls, your clutch is likely okay. If not, you may need a new clutch. Many folks overlook burning smells as a warning sign. It's the clutch's way of saying it's slipped too many times. This smell is akin to scorching your microwave popcorn, a pungent, burnt aroma that shouldn't be ignored. Don't underestimate the impact on fuel efficiency. A slipping clutch often forces the engine to work harder than it needs to, gobbling up extra fuel. This sneaky gas drain is akin to leaving your fridge door open. While the clutch may seem fine now, ignoring these signs can lead to a breakdown, usually at the worst possible time. It's like when all your tech dies 5 minutes before an important Zoom meeting. Murphy's Law, right? Bear in mind, clutch replacement isn't cheap. It can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,500 depending on your vehicle. That's like trading a mini vacation for new car parts. Pro tip: always get a second opinion before shelling out that cash. Sometimes the issue could be a worn clutch disc, pressure plate, or release bearing. These parts aren't as finicky about life expectancy, but can certainly wear out over time, leading to a slipping sensation. Not all mechanics are gold-hearted saints. Some might suggest premature replacements. Always get a diagnosis from a trusted mechanic or even a second opinion. Knowledge is power, especially when it involves your hard-earned cash. So if your mechanic says your clutch is slipping while everything feels fine, put on your detective hat, check for those subtle signs, and ask questions. Your wallet and your peace of mind will thank you later. Remember, driving is all about being in tune with your vehicle. Pay attention to those whispers from your car. They often tell a story that numbers, mechanics, or sensors might miss. Keep your ride smooth and your wallet happier.